In this video, I will show you how to upload a zip file on Google Drive. So let's get started. First, open any web browser on your PC and go to drive.google.com. Just log in using your Google account where you want to upload a zip file. Now on the Google Drive homepage, just click the plus new button on the top left side and from the options, click File Upload. This will open File dialog box. Now navigate to the folder where your zip file is located. Just select the file and click Open to begin the upload process. Alternatively, you can drag and drop zip file directly from your computer's File Explorer into Google Drive window. So that is how you can upload a zip file on Google Drive. If you find this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.